Jai Ma Kushmanda. On the day 4 of Navaratri, we pray to Ma Kushmanda, the source of all energy, the beginner of universe. As the name depicts, Ma Kushmanda, Ku means small, Ushum means warmth, and Anda means the cosmic egg. Before the beginning of all forms, only she was there, and the seed of beginning was aroused. And from her smile, the whole universe began. She is the creation destroyer of everything. The whole cosmos stays in her womb like an egg floating in the infinite. As per Puranas, when she first smiled with radiance, the cosmic egg arose. From there, three Mahadevis arose: Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Ma Saraswati. From them, again, three divine spirits arose: Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. This is how the existence began. Jai